Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting. So that you be very careful with this, we see it more and more times, and there are people who have problems with the PCV valve of his car engine, and instead of changing it, they clog it. What you see there is a 1600 HDI engine, which had this problem with the PCV valve. The owner realized that he was leaking a lot of oil from that valve, and instead of changing it, because what he did was plug it. By plugging the PCV valve, which is where the engine pressure produced by oil and fuel vapors is released, since that pressure cannot be released. And the consequence, what was it? Well, there you see it, the turbo rupture. The turbo has ruptured. Why has it ruptured? Because the oil that lubricates the turbo, as there is excess pressure inside the engine, it cannot flow normally. It is difficult for it to flow, then that has caused it not to have enough. The turbine was lubricated and the turbo burst. The owner had already realized after plugging it, that when he removed the oil cap, he saw that a lot of smoke was coming out, and when he took out the oil level dipstick, he also saw that a lot of smoke was coming out and pressure, but still left it for a few days. But as I say, those days have been enough time to blow the turbo, and as I also say, we see it more and more often. Okay, don't do this, in the end, for wanting to save money on changing that PCV valve. Because now you are going to spend much more money on repairing that turbo. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.